Today we are in one of the most sought out communities in South Lakeland. We are located in Delphi. This amazing Hulbert home community is loaded with beautiful homes. Wait till I show you this one. So when you first walk in the home, you're going to love the crown molding everywhere. High ceilings, a beautiful foyer area. To the left, you're going to see a separate dining area. And right across from that, to the right, you've got an office, extra sitting room with double doors. Close that off for privacy. But when you walk straight ahead, you're going to see the beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. Beautiful wood beam ceilings, massive room overlooking the kitchen, which is laced with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, custom built cabinets, and more. What's really great about this home, it's a triple split bedroom plan, meaning on the right hand side you've got the primary suite, on the left hand side you've got 2 bedrooms and a full bath, and in the rear of the home you've got the other bedroom, full bath, plus media room or bonus room. Walk down the hallway here and you'll see the inside laundry room with additional cabinetry, which leads into the 3-car side entry garage. Then you've got 2 bedrooms and a full bath down here, great for kids, for family members to have their own little privacy. And then in the back, French doors that overlook the screened heated pools. There's pavers everywhere, and of course Hulbert has the traditional tongue and groove wood ceilings, private backyard, fully fenced with landscaping for privacy, corner lot, just an amazing neighborhood for you to build your next family memories in. Thanks for checking out the video tour today. I've really enjoyed showing it to you, but I'd really love to show it to you in person. So do me a favor, all my contact information is below. But just remember this, whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian.